Today we are going to take a walk through historic Philadelphia in Old City. It's where the Declaration of Independence was signed, and it is just a few feet away from the Liberty Bell, as well as the original President's House and Visitor Center of Philadelphia. So we are going to look at Hotel Monaco. This is a great pre-cruise hotel, or just a great place to stay if you're coming to Philadelphia, maybe in 2026, for one of the amazing things going on here, like the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence, the FIFA World Cup, the MLB All-Star Game, and many, many more things. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome to the beautiful Hotel Monaco in Old City, Philadelphia. Right across from this beautiful little monument, the signer, which depicts one of the signers of the Declaration of Independence, which is just steps away as we walk up to the Hotel Monaco here and we walk into the beautiful lobby. This hotel is just about to be renovated as well. We're going to go back once it's renovated and show you even more. And then we're going to head into the living room. This is where you would check in. It is a beautiful area here where you can sit down. There is a concierge here. There are knickknacks from all around the world, which is a very interesting concept as they kind of treat this like a nautical theme. Whereas if you were coming over from Europe, maybe, and you would stop at a bunch of different places and grab some knickknacks and different things from all around the world, and then you would have them here in your homes. We are all so familiar with the boutique hotel concept. This was brought to America by Bill Kimpton, who kind of visited a bunch of hotels in Europe and kind of liked the not so corporate appeal of these small little hostels and hotels that had more of a boutique and interesting feel to it. And as you will see all throughout the hotel here, it's very kitschy and very boutique. You are allowed to bring animals. If it fits through the door, you can bring it and it can stay with you in the room, which I think is really, really fun and amazing. As you see here, this area has a ton of space. The concierge desk up there on the right. You have games here. There are books here. You really can just sit here and relax. Across from this area is the restaurant, the Owl Tavern, which we'll show you at the end. There is your check-in desk. And now we're going to head up to some of the beautiful rooms here. First up, we're going to start with a one-bedroom suite. We're going to show you this one. Like I said, the rooms are very unique and interesting. I love the kind of kitsch appeal to it all and the boutique-y feel. Again, if you look out any of these windows, you are just a few steps away from Independence Hall, where they signed the Declaration of Independence, where the Liberty Bell is, where the Philadelphia Visitor Center is. So many fun things here. These rooms are really beautiful and very, very spacious, especially for hotels in a big city. You have a little working area there. You have plenty of closet space, as you will see, which is really nice. You have this beautiful soaking tub in here, considered like a spa suite here, because you get the soaking tub. You get all the beautiful bathroom amenities here, and the sitting area with your TV as well, with a mini bar in that little area there. Again, remember, these are all going to be redesigned and reimagined over the next few months. And we will come back and film it again. Here is just a quick shot of the hallway as we head into a standard king bed room. So this would be your normal kind of stay if you wanted a king bed. Again, working area, TV with a mini bar area. You have a really beautiful king bed here. Again, overlooking beautiful Old City, Philadelphia. Little pocket door on the bathroom there. You have your shower and beautiful bathroom amenities. Now we're going to take you into a double bedroom. You were sharing a room with someone. Again, these very, very nice size beds for kind of sharing a room and having two beds in the room. Standard setup again with your desk. You have your TV with your mini bar area. And these rooms are very, very spacious. It's a very nice size room for being, again, in a large city like Philadelphia and New York. A lot of times the rooms are much, much smaller, but this is a beautiful, beautiful room. And then we're going to quickly show you the bathroom here. Very similar. You do have the tub in this room as well as the shower, again, with your beautiful bathroom amenities. Next up, we are going to take you to another one of these kind of larger one bedrooms. This does have the soaking tub in there, so you do get the spa suite feel here. You have the nice large bathroom here, and then this is a massive corner suite here. The bed is enormous, so it's larger than a California king. You have these great sweeping views of Philadelphia out the window. Again, overlooking Independence Hall there. Just a really, really great rooms. Windows all over, beautiful natural light. And then we're going to take you upstairs to the top deck to the Stratus Lounge. This is kind of like a boutique hotel roof deck, kind of New York vibe. There is a little bit of food here. You have drinks up here. This is indoor and outdoor. As you can see, these giant kind of garage door windows open up. Plenty of seating up here. The bar is massive. So great spot if you are hanging out in Philly. You have some beautiful weather. Obviously in the winter, they can close this off. Here is your outdoor space, which gets a whole bunch of chairs and everything in the evening. And then on either end of this outdoor space, there is a room that you can use for parties and different events. This specific one is a little bit darker and kind of themed for an evening event. If you are having maybe a little group event, a night out with your team or your friends, or a pre-wedding party, something like that. These are beautiful spaces where you can hang out and have some peace and quiet and get out of the kind of loud, kind of clubbish vibe. And then you can see all the details here. These are, again, going to be updated as well in the next few months, so we'll get new video of that as well. And then we're going to head down to the other end of the outdoor deck area, and we're going to show you the other room, which is a little brighter. This one's kind of more for corporate during the day, if you had maybe a team meeting that you wanted to do, or some type of a corporate outing, and you were coming to the hotel, maybe staying over, and you could use this room for your meeting the next day. So be a great room as well to meet with prospective clients or friends and family as well. Again, as I mentioned, when you're downstairs and you walk into the hotel, if you go to the right, you would check in. If you go to the left as you walk in, you would head into the Red Owl Tavern. So this tavern serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, and late night snacks. We were there for breakfast. It is a really, really nice tavern-ish area. They have great food there. The breakfast was spectacular. They have a really nice bar here. They have fresh baked goods in the morning. It is really a great spot if you are hanging out in Old City, Philadelphia. Thanks so much for coming along with us on this tour today. Again, my name is John from Byte Size Cruises. We really appreciate you watching this. We're a travel agency, just trying to give you the best information possible about traveling so you can plan and go on an amazing vacation. Thanks so much.